Welcome back to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to test out our new drone. We got a DJI Mavic Air, the first generation. So far, the only complaint is it doesn't have the follow me feature. On this ride, we plan on hitting up two spots, one under a bridge near a farm. The bridge going over it is train tracks, so hopefully we'll see a train. And then we plan on going to a park near the Snohomish River near Everett, Washington. I am so stoked. Spring is finally here. It's absolutely beautiful outside. You can see the mountains, you can see farms, the trees. Got a train out today, which is pretty cool. You see the Mount Rainier right straight ahead. Might not be Mount Rainier. I'm not sure, honestly. We are extremely lucky to have the roads pretty open today. Rode this trip the other day and lots of cars, so I was stuck going the speed limit. Got Batsy with me in the back. See him right there. His skills riding has improved drastically. He's only been riding about 4 months now. So right here we're going down a little rough trail. I want to take a quick moment to thank our sponsor, Gthic Jewelry. Gthic is a brand that delivers high-quality accessories to bikers and everyone else in love with spellbinding jewelry. They are the best source of edgy biker jewelry. If you're into the biker nostalgia, Gthic has a design for you, whether it's rings, pendants, bracelets, chains, or even earrings. They have so many to choose from. I guarantee they'll have something that you will absolutely love. Their prices are absolutely fantastic. Now, if you're looking to get one heck of a deal, click the link in the description and use the discount code Barricade20 to get 20% off your order. Again, I want to thank Gthic for sponsoring this video. Thank you for the 6 pieces of jewelry you sent me. I absolutely love them. I ended up giving one to my brother as a birthday gift, and he loves it as well. And make sure to hit them up. They are absolutely legit, and I love their products. Here we got the great view of the trains coming along. I'm really digging this footage. I still got to figure out a few things. But let me know in the comments. Let me know what kind of drone you use and give me some tips on how to use it to get some more cinematic footage. I very much appreciate it. And now we're off to the Snohomish River. There's a lot of bikes out today. Great seeing a lot of other bikers out there enjoying the sun, great weather. Today I only needed a hoodie underneath my cut. I just realized that there's a bike in the back that just passed a bunch of cars. Betsy Street 750 actually rips, and I am shocked every time I ride with them how good that bike performs. So it's definitely a good beginner bike. The views out here are absolutely spectacular today. You got the river, you got all the farmland, trees, you got mountains on the horizon, some nice curves. Just now getting to our destination. The spot's pretty nice. It's close to the house. This drone is so cool. You got Batsy right there. Gonna fly out over the river. The sport mode on this drone is legit. It goes so fast. Right here, Batsy was curious what was on the other side of the barn. Just nothing but green fields. The view is amazing. The horizon, you got the hills and the mountain. Time to head out. Gonna have Batsy ride out, see how well I can follow him. Now, this is my first time filming with the drone. Got plenty of practice time. Lost him for a second, but he's gonna ride up here and then wait for me, and then we're gonna both head it back up to the house up together. Well, thank you for joining us on this trip. It was a great ride. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell. You definitely don't want to miss a thing. We've got content coming out every single Saturday at 8 a.m. And then I'm going to try to push out as much content on top of that as well. Gonna have some good videos at Harley Davidson here soon. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.